Hello everyone, this is my helmet airspace SWOT analysis by Caleb Dahl. First I want to start out by focusing on the strengths of helmet. The strengths we find here at helmet, using our tools and diving into the board of directors, we see that we have a good standing on multiple different areas. The first one being compensation and benefits, finance, and then governance and nominating. I got these from the board of directors. I saw that multiple different people specialize in all of these areas, other than the other ones that we find in our weaknesses. So it just, reinsures that there are multiple people on the board of directors that are excellent in all of these things, creating a strength. On the other hand, we look at the weaknesses. There are very few weaknesses within helmet. Just because there was only one person that actually specialized in cybersecurity, and then coming from other resources, that there is just their program or their corporation with cybersecurity is very limited. What we saw on the strengths, that there was multiple different people in charge of all those things, but here there is only one with cybersecurity. The opportunities. The first idea that pops into mind is terrorism, 9/11. This stops just a bunch of things. Nobody wants to fly. You can't go anywhere. So the demand just dies and there's no need for new aircrafts. And then the overall health of the country. People are healthy, they're happy. If they're not, they're going to want to stay at home, not go anywhere, and just the overall economy of the country. Threats, same thing we see here. No demand, no travel, no new aircrafts. So just the demand and people wanting to travel, go to vacation spots, stuff like that. Then public health crisis is going to kill air travel. We still see that. If you go back to United, American Airlines or anything like that, we're going to see a huge drop 2020 in the stock charts. Then here is my horizontal analysis that we learned in the video. I did net worth or net income from 2021 to 2022. We see that, even here we can see that $258 million going to 469 million was a huge jump, and went up. We see here, and I got 55%. That ratio we can use for different predictions, and then just comparing it to other ratios. Here's my references. Thank you.